The Bunyole East Member of Parliament, Yusuf Mutembuli, and the Lwengo Woman Member of Parliament, Cissy Namujju, are to spend another night in detention after the anti-corruption court seated here at Nakasero in Kampala once again denied them bail. The Anti-Corruption Court Chief Magistrate Joan Achiro denied Mutembuli and Namujju bail on grounds that the application had been overtaken by events. This after the state successfully applied for their committal to the High Court.
The objection raised to having the accused persons now before this court committed for that trial by the High Court is overruled. The accused persons shall be committed for that trial by the High Court. But the two of you still have the right to apply for bail, only that this right can now be exercised before the High Court.
However, the decision by the Chief Magistrate Joan Achiro did not go down without a fight by the Defense Counsel, who accused the prosecution of ambushing them by applying for the committal to the High Court.
We shouldn't proceed in an ambush way. That this day was scheduled for a bail application, and the Land Chief State Attorney is coming up with the committal proceedings without the disclosure.
So, my Lord, I pray that the state be stopped from hijacking our process. We came here, first of all, to apply for bail. Let's first do that, and we finish.
Meanwhile, the prosecution amended the charge sheet to provide for finer details to show that actually a meeting did take place between the chairperson of Uganda Human Rights Commission, Mariam Wangadia, and the three incarcerated members of parliament. These details include a phone data record and CCTV footage captured at Hotel Africana that are now said to be in possession of the police.
That all the above discussions were captured on the recording device, which Ms. Wangadia had placed on the table, and after the meeting she returned it to the security personnel who had given it to her. It was the basis upon which investigations in this case were commenced.
The legal representatives of the detained members of parliament say that they will now proceed to file for a bail application at the High Court within the week.
It is going to be a formal application. At the Magistrates Court we are moving orally, but here we have to file an application for bail, and that application must be scheduled. It must be allocated and then be given a date. That is when the bail application will commence.
We are not happy, and at the same time we are not disappointed. Why? We've been saved from public embarrassment. Why am I saying that? Our colleague Honorable Kamba, when he was granted bail, he was arrested in a very, very bad, educative manner.
Our appeal to the state and the justice sector is for them to have a speedy and quick trial. We are not in position to comment on the merits of the matter. What we know is that she has not pleaded guilty, so to us she is still innocent until proved otherwise.
The three members of parliament, Cissy Namujju, Paul Akamba and Yusuf Mutembuli, were arrested by the police last week and charged by the Anti-Corruption Court with corruption on grounds that they solicited for a 20% share of the budget of the Uganda Human Rights Commission. Jackson Onyango, NTV, here at Nakasero Anti-Corruption Court in Kampala.